Watch this mesmerizing time-lapse and learn about the secret life of plants. Although it might not look like it, plants are continuously moving throughout the day. Take this sunflower for instance. As it bursts forth with life, it appears to be dancing. Isn't it incredible how much is happening when we're not looking? Thanks to these breathtaking time lapses, we get to see what's otherwise hidden from us. Watching the sunflower bloom and emerge into a gorgeous flowers is one of the most wholesome things one can witness. Ever wonder what happens to a chili pepper while growing? You're about to find out. Watch as it grows miraculously from a mere seed. After 3 days, they start rooting and pushing upward through the soil. Takes our breath away. There's an invader. Wait and see how these corn kernels sprout into luscious green leaves. Watching these time lapses fills one with a strange sense of awe. These videos are the most relaxing, mesmerizing thing I've seen in ages. I think I might just watch them forever. They're sure to bring an unexpected joy to your busy, hectic day. This other plant was filmed over the course of 23 days. Wait and see how its initial leaves unfurl and then get joined by other emerging stems. Check out those graceful green leaves emerge gradually. We're transfixed. These time lapses fill one with hope and joy. Here's what a dandelion looks like while blooming. With our limited eyesight, we would have never been able to see the secret life of these plants. Watch radish and wheatgrass grow over the course of 8 days. These plants grow so fast, it's just mind-boggling. Time-lapse videos are the best way to capture every single tiny movement these plants make. Just what our hearts needed today.